Everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about comparison among solid, liquid and gas. So let's start our video. Comparison among solid, liquid and gas. Okay, comparison among solid, liquid, gas. It means we see the difference between how the solid differ from liquid and liquid differ from gas. Okay, let's compare. Okay, we compare these all the flowing on the basis of general properties like volume, shape, intermolecular space. Okay, so let's start. So our first general property is that is shape. Okay, we see that how in solid, shape of solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so let's start. So shape of solid is generally fixed. Okay, okay, you all know that solid is generally fixed. Like this pen is a solid. Okay, example of solid that it is a fixed. Okay, it is not possible that today it is a solid and tomorrow it is become liquid. Okay, it is not possible. It is solid. So it is still in solid. Okay, so its shape is fixed. But when we talk about liquid, if we put liquid into a glass, it take the shape of glass, and if we put the liquid into the bowl, it takes the shape of bowl. It means its shape is not fixed. Okay, so here we can write indefinite. Okay, because if we put water in glass, it takes the shape of glass, and if we put the water in except water, any liquid, okay, whether it is juice, water, or we can say cold drink, okay, anything, if we put in bottle, it takes the shape of bottle. If we put the water liquid in the glass, it takes the shape of glass. Okay, and gas shape is also indefinite, because if we put the air into a balloon, it takes the shape of balloon. Okay, and it can it change the shape if we put in different types of container. Okay, so this is about the shape. Now our next general property is that is volume. Okay, so volume of solid is fixed. Okay, fixed, and also liquid is also fixed. If we put a 1 liter water in a bottle, then it is still 1 liter. Okay, and if you put water in any type of container, it is still 1 liter. Okay, so its volume is also fixed, but gas volume is indefinite. Okay, now our next property is number of particle per unit area. Okay, so it is generally what? Number of particle per unit area. So we all know that solid particle are very loosely, so it's is maximum. Okay, and is maximum. Okay, and in liquid, when we talk about liquid, it also its number of particle per unit is not maximum, it's intermediate. It means intermediate. Okay, not at like as a solid and not as like a liquid. Okay, sorry, gas, and its number of particle is minimum. Okay, it means not as we can say the solid number of particles per unit area is maximum, and liquid intermediate between what? Maximum and minimum. It means solid and gas, and the gas number of particle is minimum. Okay, I hope it is visible. Now our next general property is intermolecular space. Okay, here is next thing is intermolecular space. So intermolecular space of solid is very minimum. Okay, पापा आपने सुना मेरा डाटा. Now the liquid intermolecular space is we can say intermediate between both what? Solid and gas. Okay, this one is also intermediate. Or we can do this. Okay, now here is it, but its molecular space is maximum. Okay, they have maximum distance. Now fifth property is intermolecular force of attraction. Okay, so intermolecular force of attraction in solid is very what? Intermolecular space between solid is maximum. Okay, and in liquid, intermediate between solid and gas. Okay, maximum, and in liquid, intermediate, and in gas, minimum. Okay, force of attraction. And our 6 properties. Molecular motion of particle. Okay, next property is molecular motion of particle. Okay, so in solid, almost negligible. Okay, almost negligible. What? Molecular motion of particle. Suppose that if the molecular motion is in solid is, we can say, maximum, then how can you say that it is a pen? Because the you can say the material inside the pen is becoming moving. Okay, so it is almost negligible, that's why it is hard. Okay, and here it is intermediate between solid and gas, and this one is maximum. Okay, and our next general property is physical properties. Physical properties. Okay, physical properties in solid is almost physical properties of solid is generally hard, rigid. Okay, so the same thing we write here, that hard, rigid, non-compressible. Okay, so write here non compressible. Okay, and what are the physical property of liquid? It is intermediate between solid and gas. Okay, and this one is loosely packed. Loosely packed. Okay, and it can be compressed easily compressible. Okay, so these are the physical property of solid, liquid, gas. That gas can be gas are loosely packed, easily compressible. Okay, but solid are hard, rigid, non-compressible. Okay, and next and last is that is density. Okay, density. When we talk about density, the density of solid is very high, that is maximum. Maximum, okay. Intermediate between solid and gas, okay, and its density is minimum, okay. So this is all about the you can say the comparison between the solid and the liquid, okay. Solid and the liquid, that is, first one is shape, second one is volume, third number of particle per unit area, intermolecular space, and this one is intermolecular force of attraction, molecular motion of particle, physical properties and densities, okay. So these are the comparison among solid, liquid, gas, okay. Let's move further. Now our next point is that all three states can state of matter can be interchanged whenever appropriate physical force is applied. It means all three states of matter can be interchanged whenever appropriate physical force is applied. What is the meaning of this sentence? It means solid, liquid and gas, okay, they can be interchanged. It means the solid can change into liquid and liquid can change into gas, and gas can be changed into liquid and liquid can change into solid. It means they can interchange with each other, okay, if any physical property is applied, like appropriate physical property, like you can say if we going to hit solid, then it turns into liquid, and if liquid is we can say liquid is heat, it turns into vapor, like into a gas, and when the gas is cool, then it turns into the liquid, and if the liquid is cool, then it can interchange into solid. So these are the physical force which can be applied on this all three state of matter, that whenever, so that they can be interchanged, okay. So for example, you can also take the like ice, like if the ice is heated, physical property. Like also we all know that solid is directly changed into gas. By which process? Sublimation. Okay, by any physical process, any physical force you can say. And here ice, liquid and vapor. If ice is heated, so it turns into the liquid, and liquid is heated, so it turns into the vapor, into a gas. And if it is cooled, then it turns into liquid, and if it is cooled, then it turns into ice. Okay, so these are the example of that how can the all three matter can be interchanged with the appropriate physical force. Okay, so I hope you understand this all the things, that what are the comparison between comparison among these three, like solid, liquid, gas. And next thing is then they can be interchanged. Next point is that they can be interchanged with the what? Whenever if they physical force is applied. Okay, whenever appropriate physical force is applied. Okay, I hope you understand whole the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.